Hi, in this video we'll be continuing with the C# video tutorials. In this video we'll be going over lists. I've kind of already started it out here. So a list collection. The C# list is a class in the .NET framework that is similar to an array with the following advantages. Not disadvantages, but advantages. A list object does not require a size declaration, so for example, a normal array, there's a fixed size that has downsides such as like memory wasting. Because for example, if you instantiate an array of like 1,000 elements and you only use like 100 elements, then you're wasting all that space and the computer has to allocate memory for that. And you're wasting memory and resources, which could slow down your apps or your programs or whatever. So pretty much a list object does not require size declaration, so you can just add elements or remove them on the fly. And you can't really remove elements from an array. You can basically just set them to null or kind of set them to like zeros, or you could set them to like empty strings, but you still have to set them to something. You can't just delete them. So it's different than a list. So the general syntax to create a list is like this, minus that bottom line there. Okay, so it's like list, and then in angular brackets the type, then the name points to new list, once again the type, and then if you need parameters, which in this case you don't think it takes parameters to instantiate a list, there may be some kind of overloaded constructor that you might need later on, that we might talk about later on. We don't really need to talk about that right now. For example, this is just the